Hello, my name is Abraham Ramirez, and this is my final project presentation for the group project of graphics. So we're going to start off with showing off some of the code that we've worked on for this project. As you can see, we are starting off here with declaring all of the Boolean variables and all the strings as well, and all of the primary components which is required to run the code. Many of us have tried to work on this to try to get it to work. We've encountered various issues throughout the development of the project, but unfortunately we haven't reached a point where it has been fully functioning. However, we have all of these initial variables that determine the lighting, the depth, the graphics, how the object or the car that we named will handle, as well as the rendering and the as well as the menu here, as well as we are covering the controls that the players will have for each player and the network connections as well. I'm going to cover over my portion of the project, which is the rendering of the car body that I and Titus worked on. So we worked on tried to develop a cylindrical sphere or a beam, and these are the vertices that we use to render the objects. They're pretty much straightforward, and as well as the following here as the loader as well. This is pretty much the gist of one portion. The other portion I helped work on is the rendering of the terrain and the collision of the terrain of itself. Here you can see the variables that we declared and the height of where the terrain stands. As you can see, as it will call from a different portion of the code, and other variables as well. Simply, there is a lot of code to cover in one video, and hopefully we will get a functioning demonstration by our presentation. And this is our project for the Sumo project.